Hey everyone, it's Molly and Dan.
Hey everybody.
Today we're making a cocktail from this book, Lost Recipes of Prohibition. This itself is not a vintage book, but it's full of vintage cocktail recipes. And today I thought we'd make the Mary Pickford.
Oh, well that sounds very interesting.
Yeah, she was a very popular, during Prohibition time, she was a very popular Canadian-American actress. She got a beverage named after her, and this one sounds pretty good. It's rum, pineapple juice, grenadine, maraschino liqueur, and garnish it with a brandied cherry. Now, I couldn't find brandied cherries, but I did find cherries soaked in bourbon, and I thought that was gonna be a pretty good substitute.
Well, it's the closest we could find, so are you ready? Are you guys ready?
I think everybody's ready.
Let's do this.
Like always, the recipe will be down below in the description box, and I'll include the information for the book. So the rum we're using today is rum I've never tried before. It's called Canaboa. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. And it is a Brazilian rum. So they probably, I don't think they would have had this during Prohibition. The store I went to go get. Anyways, when I went to get the rum, there wasn't a huge selection of silver rum, so I kind of just had to pick what was there. But I think this will be good. Ooh, it's made from actual sugarcane. Smell that.
Wow, that smells good.
That smells really good. I think this is gonna be delicious. Maraschino liqueur is an Italian one. Ooh, Cristiani. Is that how you pronounce it? Do you wanna smell this? I was smelling this the other day. Ooh.
Wow.
It smells good. We got our little thing of pineapple juice. So we need it's 2 ounces of rum. An ounce of fresh pineapple juice.
And does this make 1 or is this making 2?
It doesn't say, but I'm assuming that this makes 1.
Wow.
I know.
Maybe we could like just cut this one in half and see. Or not.
No. I should try to make my own grenadine. I wonder if anybody would want to see a video on that.
If you would, leave a comment below.
And it's just a teaspoon of the grenadine and a teaspoon of the liqueur. And you shake this with ice.
Oh, that doesn't make very much, does it? Just drop it in. Oh, no, I just meant the cherry, not the...
I'll cut this part out.
Not the toothpick. And that's how you kill your fiance.
All right, let's make another one. These drinks were just strong. They didn't really mess around.
Well, they drink to get up.
Don't swear in the video.
Well, I mean, when you didn't know when your next liquor was going to come from, I mean, Prohibition, so you got to drink it while you can.
Yeah.
Especially if you like your fire
water.
water.
When you're drinking bathtub gin.
Nice.
You know.
Should make some gin. It's just water.
It's not water, it's pink. The cherries I'm using are Sable Rosenfeld, Bourbon Tipsy, Dark Reserve cherries, if you're curious. Shall we retire to the couch? We've retired to the couch. You ready for this?
Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Well, if you want to drink this to get drunk, it's extremely strong.
Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, it's got 2 shots. 2 ounces of rum. Oh.
I can't taste anything else.
The drink is good. So let's talk about the appearance first. It's pink drink, cute. You got a little cherry in there. I think we should have picked smaller glasses for the amount of drink. Let's talk about the taste.
To be honest, I really couldn't taste anything else but the rum.
If you make this, the rum is front and center, and then you can taste the pineapple juice, but it's mainly rum. Make sure you pick a rum you like. Don't go with a rum you kind of feel meh about. Pick a rum you like, because that's the predominant taste. The maraschino cherry, now it does have the sweetness from the liqueur. I can definitely taste that.
I couldn't taste anything but rum.
I mean, and you smell it, and it smells like rum.
I think I would like to make this, but use 1 shot of rum and maybe a little bit more of the other ingredients just to water it down some.
Yeah.
I'm not a drinker, and this is extremely strong for me.
Yeah, I'm not much of a drinker either, and this is a little too strong for me. You can taste the pineapple juice. I would like to taste a little bit more pineapple juice and a little less rum. I think you and I are on the same page, Dan. This is a pretty strong drink.
Yeah.
They didn't mess around back then. They drank back then. They really drank.
It's still kind of burning my mouth.
Yeah, it doesn't burn my mouth, but it's very strong flavor. But you can taste the maraschino liqueur. It's got that cherry sweetness coming through. Then you get a little bit more sweetness from the grenadine and the pineapple juice. I was expecting a little more acidity from the pineapple juice, and I'm not getting that. Yeah, this is like a one and done drink. You have one and then you're done, or you're gonna be on the floor. You have one of these and then you call it quits, or you're gonna be on the floor. I was expecting it to be fruitier.
I can't taste anything but the rum. It's way too strong for me.
Do you want me to modify it for you?
I don't think there's anything you can do to that to make it drinkable for me.
Really?
Yeah,
you need like a half shot of rum.
Yeah, it's way too much for me.
Well, I could add pineapple juice to it. Do you want me to add a little more pineapple juice?
Like the whole can?
Go ahead and dump it in.
Because it's just
go dump it in.
It's too much. I can't.
Can you bring me a fork? How's it now?
I don't know. I haven't tried it.
Okay, so Dan added the rest of the can of pineapple juice to his drink.
Pretty much a whole can. Let's give this a pull and see how she does.
All right, go for it.
Instantly better.
Really?
Yeah, it's totally drinkable for me.
Dan and I share germs. That's a lot better.
Yeah, it's drinkable.
If you try this and you're like us, where you're like, whoa, this is way too strong for me, cut back on the rum or just add a lot more pineapple juice.
I mean, I would even recommend just starting with a half shot of rum, make the drink with that, and if it's not enough for you, slowly add more.
That's a really good cherry. No, don't start with a half shot of rum. Go for the full thing. Make it the way the recipe calls for it, and then modify it later. But you gotta try it the original recipe. They might like that. Try the original recipe first, then see if you like it. You might really like it, and then see how it goes. This, a little too strong for me. A little too strong. Would I make this again? I would make a modified version of this again. I would make what you made. I would make that. Stop, I'm not gonna stab you. More pineapple juice or less rum. This is when you're drinking to forget.
A boyfriend, a husband, a girlfriend.
A problem. You got a problem and you don't want to think about it. This is your drink. So, the Mary Pickford. Strong drink.
Really strong.
But
still good.
Not for the faint of heart. And it's definitely for those looking to forget or end up on the floor. Drink responsibly. Don't mess around with Mary Pickford.
She'll just kick your ass.
Quit swearing. So if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. I upload content every week. We hope to see you in the next video.
We'll see you all next time.
Have a good night.